Because you did say back in the summer after the two games then that perhaps you'd struggled because you hadn't played much football.
Yeah.
So it must be difficult for you because you haven't kicked a ball since the Croatia game.
Yeah, no, I fully understand the position I'm in. I've done as much as I can in terms of trying to get back as quick as I can, and yeah, I've had a full week's training, and yeah, we kind of done 11v11 and stuff to try and get some fitness into me. So yeah, I'm as prepared as I can be. Yeah, obviously the only thing I could do is give my best like I always do, whether I'm 100% fit or not. So that's all I can say really.
Have you been following the coverage back home in the Spanish papers? They're obviously saying, well, you know, you haven't trained much for Real Madrid, but you come away and you train with Wales. What have you made of all that?
I've heard some stories. I don't really take notice, but yeah, my friends tend to send me some funny pictures or whatever they write, and no, I think in terms of I've tried to get back as quick as I can. If there'd been a Real Madrid game this week, then I would have been fit and training to play. So I guess, yeah, maybe to them it doesn't look great, but I think this kind of coincidence that the national teams come around this week and I kind of return to full training, and I think yeah, it's something that happens in football, and if I'm fit, no matter where I am, I'm going to try and play, whether it be Wales or Madrid. So for me, yeah, it was a no-brainer. If I'm fit to play, then I'll give my everything to play.
You say your friends have been sending those funny pictures to you. What did you make of that one headline in Marca which said, I think, Wales, golf, Madrid, in that order of priorities?
Yeah, they have their own opinion, I'm sure, of me. So yeah, I think it's just one of those things. They seem to write, whether it's good or bad, just about me, and yeah, I must sell papers. That's the only conclusion I can come to be honest.
Does it get to you though, personally? I mean, you know, that kind of scrutiny, that criticism that you're under?
I find it hilarious, to be honest. Especially some of the pictures and stuff my friends sent me. So I think on one it was a triple bogey. I was like, I've never had a triple bogey. At least give me an albatross or something. But no, it's funny. I find that some of the things that I have seen are just, yeah, the people really don't understand football. They don't know what they're on about. So I find it quite funny.
In terms of these two games, I mean, how do you sum up the importance of them? I mean, and the importance of Wales getting to another major tournament as you did in 2016?
Yeah, no, they're massively important. We understand the situation we're in. We know it's a must win. It's not even a draw. It's not even in our mindset. So no, we know what we have to do. We know the pressure that's on, but we're trying to embrace it. These are the positions that we want to be in. We want to try and be able to qualify, not be out of the running after 2, 3, 4 games. So yeah, we still have a chance. So we'll be giving everything we can to try and qualify.
As you said, you've got to win these two games. Are you mindful of Azerbaijan drawing against Croatia, and also how hard they made it for you in Cardiff before you scored that late goal?
Yeah, no, of course we understand. They're a team that they play some good football, and they frustrate teams. We understand everything about them. We've watched them. We've kind of analysed everything. We have a game plan that we're going to stick to. But yeah, it's a must-win game, and we just have to go out there, do the best we can, and that's always what we try to do.
Thanks, Gareth.
Phil?
Gareth, would it be fair to say that getting Wales to a major tournament again is your biggest goal of this year, though?
It's one of my goals. I think, yeah, it's the one that'll come first. So, yeah, it's something that I think everyone knows how passionate I am about Wales, and yeah, I think for me personally, we always look to not try and qualify for one, but we want to qualify for multiple tournaments. We said that in the past. We want to try and do that, and I think it's not important just for the here and now, but for also the future of Welsh football. It'll inspire kids again, and hopefully make more kids play football, and make our national team better for the future as well.
You were in London a couple of weeks ago with one of the Wales physios. Was there ever a danger you would miss these games?
No, I was trying to get back as fit as quick as I can. Yeah, I wasn't just twiddling my thumbs in the treatment room doing nothing. So yeah, I was trying to get fit as quick as I could, and yeah, that's always what I try to do. Yeah, obviously I love playing football, being on the pitch, and trying to give my best, and yeah. So yeah, I as I said before, I just try and get back as quick as I can.
Gareth.
Sorry. Hello.
Hello. Oh.
Okay.
You came to us.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bit late.
Gareth, just how good is it to have Aaron back within the squad?
Yeah, no, it's good to have Rambo back. He hasn't been for a while, so yeah, it's great to have him back. He's obviously got a lot of experience, a great player, and yeah, hopefully he can get some goals, help us qualify.
Has he said anything about
translation?
How I understand the question was about Aaron Ramsey. Yeah. Sual oydu ki sizin için yəqin çox gözəl bir hadisədir ki Ramsey'nin heyəti qayıtmağı. Gareth Bale də söylədi ki, bəli çox gözəldir ki o yenə bizim komandamızdadır və onunla bir meydançada olmaq çox gözəldir bizim komanda üçün.
Has there been any banter around his first Juventus goal and Cristiano's reaction to it?
We had a little bit of a joke. No, just speaking to him, asking how it is, and yeah, I think he's enjoying it there. He's enjoying. He's got a few goals now, which is nice to see, and yeah, he's got a few minutes under his belt. So yeah, hopefully he continue to do well, and yeah, we'll all be supporting him.
Sual ondan oldu ki, axırıncı Lokomotiv Moskva Juventus oyununda bildiğiniz kimi Ronaldo zərbəni vurandan sonra Aaron Ramsey topu qapıya keçirtdi. O barədə sual verdiniz mi? Diyor o barədə sualımız olmayıb, danışmamışam Ramsey ilə, amma əlbəttə ki o böyük bir komandada oynayır, Juventus kimi komanda və belə davam eləsə artıq möhkəmlənəcək komanda.
James.
Hi Gareth, are we to expect as skipper that you'll be holding the Welsh team pennant for the picture with a big smile on your face? Obviously we all think of you didn't hold the pennant for too long with the Madrid crest on, if you don't mind me saying so.
No, I don't know. I think that was quite a funny video. I watched it. My friend sent it to me again, as they normally do, taking the mic. No, I just if I have the pennant, I mean, I probably hold it. I don't really ever normally hold a pennant, so yeah, if it's with me, I'm sure I'll hold it.
Sağlamlığı barədə sual verdik, necə özünü hissedirsiniz və gələcəkdə necə davam edəcəksiniz? Hər şey özümü yaxşı hiss edirəm və bundan sonra da ümidvaram ki, daha da formamı yığacağam.
Tom.
Gareth, you said in a documentary in the summer that when you get to your level of sport, you lose the joy that you had of playing when you're 15, 16, a child. When you come back to Wales, though, does it feel like you regain that joy when you're playing with your people that you played with all your life?
Yeah, to an extent, yeah, definitely. I've been with most of the players, especially the older ones, since we were like under 17. So yeah, it's like playing with your mates down the park some days. So no, I think it's normal. I think with Wales, I'm speaking my own language. I'm feeling more comfortable, and yeah, I think I definitely have a bit more excitement playing for Wales. But no, I still don't think it doesn't change what I give on the pitch. I always give 100% wherever I am, and yeah, that's kind of always what I strive to do.
Neçə ildir xarici klublarda oynayırsın? Bu yıldan soruşdular və yəqin ki evə gələndə bir başqa bir təsərrüfatlar olur, sizdə fikirlər olur. Deyir əlbəttə ki milli komanda oynamaq həmişə şərəfdir və ona görə milli komanda oyununda çalışıram 100% özümü meydançada göstərim.
We'll just take two more questions. Gentleman here and the gentleman in front on the phone.
Gareth Bale də Bakıda salamlayırıq. Azərbaycan yığmasının oyununu necə səciyyələndirərdi, yəni necə xarakterizə edərdi və səhv eləmirəmsə vaxtilə U21-in heyətində o Azərbaycana gəlir. Bakıya ilk səfəri deyil. Əgər ilk səfəri deyilsə Bakı haqqında bir müqayisə aparardı.
Welcome to Baku again. He said that you played against Azerbaijan national team when you was in under 21. You played or it's your first visit to Baku?
No, I haven't been to Baku before.
Birinci dəfədir Bakıdadır. Birinci dəfədir. And how you can characterize our national team, how they play?
Yeah, no, I think the national team, from when I first played them, I think I was maybe 18, 19, something like that.
No, about our national.
Yeah, no, I'm going to get to it. No, I think the country is, in terms of football, is got a lot better. I think the standard of football is a lot better, and the national team now are really good. They're very well organised, and yeah, for me, I think that they've made a big improvement over the last maybe 5-10 years.
Sizin Azərbaycan yığma komandanın axırıncı oyunları izləyəndə get-gedə inkişaf görmək olar. 5-10 il bundan əvvəl olan milli yığma komandanın arasında və indiki milli yığma komandanın arasında mən bir fərq görürəm və get-gedə də o oyun inkişafında sezilir artıq.